Mastering the Art of Kick Someone's Butt, a guide to understanding slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a popular slang phrase you might hear in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations: kick someone's butt. Stick around as we explore its meanings, usage, and some polite alternatives. At its core, kick someone's butt is a slang expression that can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, it refers to beating someone up or winning a physical fight against them. However, it's more commonly used in a figurative sense to talk about defeating someone in a competition, overcoming a challenge, or doing much better than someone in any kind of performance or activity. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be applied in different contexts. Competitive context: "I'm going to kick your butt in the chess tournament next week," implies a friendly or intense competition. Motivational context: "This exam is tough, but I'm ready to kick its butt," shows determination to overcome a challenge. Playful banter: "Watch out, I'll kick your butt at video games tonight," is a light-hearted way to express confidence in winning a game. While kick someone's butt is widely accepted in informal settings, it's always good to have polite alternatives for more formal or sensitive situations. Here are a few. Outperform: "I plan to outperform everyone in the sales competition." Surpass: "Our goal is to surpass last year's results." Defeat: "We aim to defeat our rivals in the upcoming match." Understanding slang like kick someone's butt not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English expressions in different contexts. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how and when to use this phrase, as well as some polite alternatives for formal situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using new phrases in your conversations. See you in the next video.